they say I'm alive, and this is how I'll stay. I'm alive, and I'm not ready to go. I want everybody to know that I'm still alive. Everybody has an audience, and you don't need to be a celebrity to have an audience. You don't need to be on TV to speak up. Everybody around you is somebody you impact on daily. Most of the things that people are afraid of have been addressed. You know, the best thing for you to do is know your status, go in and get tested. You can't look at someone and tell that they're infected with HIV. You can't, you just can't. It's not a mask, you know, it's not something that's outwards, it's not a sign on your forehead. I think we should replace tolerance with respect, and we'd solve many of our problems.
Get the real facts at ilivup.com.